The question says, which is question number 11, that the strain energy U stored in a beam and loaded as shown is one of these four options. So very simple question. You have a simply supported beam with 2-point loads at symmetric distances from the two ends. Okay, we need to find the amount of strain energy stored in this body. Let's first of all draw a very simple bending moment diagram for this, which is very simple to draw. Okay, so this is how you will get the bending moment diagram for this. So 0 over here and P into L over here. Okay, and this bending moment diagram, this is L, this is 2L, and this is L again. Right, so let me take a distance x over here. All right, and let's now equate it to the equation that we're going to use to find this value. We know that strain energy is equal to half m square upon EI into dx. So we'll make use of that equation, which is U is equal to, now we'll use twice the things because you'll use it for this and for this. Okay, so and then we'll make it another point to use for this section as well. So you will have 1 by 2. So first of all, I'll write down the entire equation twice because it's a symmetrical loading. Okay, here and here from both the ends. You'll have 1 by 2 into integral. This is for the section 0 to L. For this section, the bending moment would be P into x whole square upon EI dx. Okay, next would be for the section L to 2L, wherein the bending moment is constant throughout, PL upon EI dx. So this is the equation that I'm going to use. So I can strike off 2 and 2. When you solve this equation, you get P square upon EI to be constant, integral 0 to L, this would be x square dx, okay, plus P square and EI goes out for this also. This will be L to 2L. L square can be taken outside the bracket, outside the integral sign, and you will have L square integral L to 2L dx. So now when you solve this part, you get P square upon EI into x cube by 3. This is from 0 to L, plus L square into x, this is from L to 2L. Okay, so this would give you P square upon EI, this is L cube by 3, plus this is 2L minus L, which is L. L into L square is L cube. So this is nothing but 4L cube by 3. So the entire equation will become 4P square L cube by 3 times E into I. So this is the answer that I am looking for, which is the strain energy which is stored in this particular beam loading orientation. So I hope you got this. Again, a very simple formula based question. So now let's move on to the next question and go on to question number 12.